In today's video, we'll be learning how to draft a preset that Bustier. So we'll begin by taking our vertical measurements. Our shoulder to bust is 10 plus half an inch for joining at the shoulder. Our shoulder to under bust is 14 plus half an inch. Our shoulder to waist is 17 and added 1.5 inches for joining. That is for sewing allowance. Half shoulder to bust plus half an inch, shoulder to under bust plus half an inch, shoulder to waist plus 1.5 inches. We'll be connecting the lines this way. This is our under bust line and that is our waist line. We'll be cutting out the excess material. We are marking our neck width of 3 inches. After the 3 inches, we are marking 5 inches. From that 5 inches mark, we came down by 1 inch in order to achieve our shoulder slope. From the 3 inches mark, we connect it to the 1 inch. The shoulder I'm working with is 15 divided by 2 is 7.5 plus half an inch for joining. Our armhole depth is 7.5. That is the line which will be serving as our chest line. That is our chest line, our bust line, our under bust line, and our waist line. At the bust line, we are marking our bust divided by 4. I have bust 40 divided by 4, I have it to be 10. But because it is a bustier, we'll be having a shootout at the front. I'm marking 9.5. At the waist, we have 34 divided by 4, we have it 8.5. Whatever we have at the bust, which is 9.5, we are adding half an inch to it. That is what I marked at the chest line. So we'll be connecting the lines this way. I'm marking 8 inches, which is equal to what I have at the shoulder, and I'm connecting it with a straight line. We'll get the midpoint of our armhole depth, which is 3.75. From that, we came down by half an inch. From that half an inch, we came in by 0.5. Yes, half an inch. We came in by half an inch. We came in by half an inch and we'll connect the lines in order to achieve our armhole curve. This way. This is it for our armhole curve. In order to take out our dart, we are marking our nipple to nipple, which is 4 inches plus half an inch for joining. So what I have there is 4.5. So I'm marking 4.5 all through. We'll connect it with a straight line. At the under bust, we are coming in by 1 inch. On both sides, we marked 1 inch, both on the under bust and at the waist line. From the bust point, we'll be coming down by half an inch and we'll be connecting it to the 1 inch mark on both sides. We are connecting the half an inch to the 1 inch mark on both sides. This way. We first connected to the under bust and down to the waist line. And that midpoint of our armhole, we are making a curve this way down to the nipple point. And we will be taking 2 inches that away from our armhole and we'll be connecting it back to the nipple point this way. So this is it for our princess that is taking shape already. Because of the 1 inch that 2 inches that at the armhole, we are replacing it in order not to have a shortage while joining the two pieces together. So at the chest line also we'll be replacing the 2 inches mark, the 2 inches, and we'll have 1 inch for joining the two pieces together, and we'll have 1 inch for sewing allowance. We'll be redrawing our armhole curve this way. At the waist, we'll be replacing the 2 inches. I will have 1 inch for joining the two pieces together and 1 inch sewing allowance. We'll be connecting the lines this way as well. So this is it for our process that we're almost done. Just shape it very well in order not to have any sharp edge. We have our neck depth to be 3.5. From the 3 inches neck width, we'll be connecting it to the neck depth. You can alter this depending on what you want to achieve. So proceed to cutting. This is how to achieve a princess that Bustier. I have another method on how to go about this. It's on my channel, so check it out. You can try the two methods and choose the one that will work best for you. This person's bust is bust 40, and the person is not that Bustier, the butt is fat. So we are enhancing the person's bust on this pattern. So if it is somebody that is busty and slim, there may be no need for you to enhance the person's bust. There's the way you also draft that person's princess that Bustier. But because we're enhancing the bust of this client, after sewing we'll be achieving a bust of 42 instead of bust 40 because we'll be padding it with the wording. Just the same way we used to pad our hip if we want to increase our hip size. So we're increasing the bust size of this person because he's not busty, but the person is fat. So if it is somebody that is busty, that have big bust, there's the way you alter this pattern in order to cage the person's bust. So if you would like to see the video, let me know in the comment section. So after you will be achieving a bust of 42, not bust 40. Because this person is not that busty, we are enhancing the bust area in order to increase the bust size. So this is it for our princess that busty. This is how it has turned out to be. I'll go and join it and show you the finished look. We will join the two pieces together. So this is it after joining. We will notice that there's shortage at the armhole depth. So we'll be redrawing our armhole depth. So the blouse will not be too tight at that area. Our armhole depth is 7.5, so that is what we are marking. The same thing we do to the other side. So friends, if you have gotten any value from this video, consider to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So that is it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Bye.